I encourage all my patients to eat a plant-rich diet with minimal to no animal products, which inevitably always leads to the question of, what do I eat? Are you asking me to eat like a rabbit, doc? I mean, I can't eat grass all day. So in this video, we're going to break down what you can eat and the amount you can eat when you're eating a whole food plant-based diet. You're eating a diet that is rich in choices. The perfect example is my wife. She actually reversed her diabetes and it didn't take her long at all, just several weeks to be off medication completely. And she did it while eating a whole food plant-based diet with no animal products. So in this video, I want to break down her daily meals. She actually eats what's called an OMAD, intermittent fasting diet. So most of you know what intermittent fasting is. She usually fasts between 20 to 23 hours a day. You don't have to go that extreme, but what you'll find is when you're eating a whole food plant-based diet, you actually are eating a diet that's full in nutrients. And so it sustains you longer, provides you energy longer, so you find yourself feeling full and satisfied. And another thing that's interesting with the whole food plant-based diet is that you'll find that you're able to eat a lot more food than you could on an animal-rich diet, because the food you're eating is full of fiber, which fills you up quicker and has 0 calories. Fiber has 0 calories. So at the end of the day, when you're eating a whole bowl or multiple bowls of food, you're not eating much calories. And this is the secret behind her 63-pound weight loss. Yes, so when you're eating a whole food plant-based diet, you can eat to your full and actually lose weight. So we're gonna break this video down into 2 parts. The first part is gonna show just some pictures, images of meals she's eaten throughout the past several days or weeks. And then I'm gonna give you a video of her preparing a meal and sitting down and enjoying it. So, and at the end, we'll give you an opportunity to actually have access to more than 250 recipes to practice if you haven't practiced already, or to enjoy the whole food plant-based diet if you have already tried it and just looking for more choices.
So here's a sample of some meals my wife has eaten the past few weeks. This is spinach tabbouleh. And then we have here some mixed quinoa with some broccoli and plantain. Some of the best coleslaw you'll ever taste is made by my wife. A vegan tuna salad is also delicious. We got lentil stews, a lot of stews you can make. You could also make a lot of soups on a whole food plant-based diet, some of my favorite soups. And of course, we have no limitation of salads, mostly, having a bean base, the different beans you can, or tofu as a protein, to really give that filling and that texture. And one of my favorite is the oatmeal that you can eat and really sweeten up and add a lot of nuts and raisins, other dried fruit that you're going to add to your oatmeal. But yeah, this is just a sample of the things my wife eats on a regular basis to keep her full and healthy. All right, so here's the meal. We got tomatoes, your tofu with sugar-free barbecue sauce, onions, mushrooms and peas, lettuce, quinoa, a very simple potato salad and cucumbers. And we're about to put it all together for a delicious salad. Now you may be wondering, how does a little person like that fit so much food in their belly in one sitting? Well, let's let her show you how.
So I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you're looking to start increasing your library of recipes, if you're already eating whole food plant-based, then search for the link in the description section. If you've never eaten whole food plant-based, that link is for you as well. I'm giving you access to over 250 low-fat, whole food, diabetes-friendly, diabetes-reversing recipes, free. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know. I would like to get some feedback, and if you're enjoying the recipes, then just leave a comment under this video and let me know how you enjoy the recipes. But as always, this is Diabetes 180, and I thank you for watching. See you on the next video.